Hey folks, this is Ed with East Coast Refinish Pros. Here we are, we're going to change the color of this tile with this blue and the yellow tub and the yellow fixtures and the yellow grab bars. We're going to change all that with our custom durable coatings. We're going to go ahead and start spraying our white primer that is made for tile to stick to tile. That way it won't peel, there's no adhesion failure. And prior to actually spraying, which we didn't take a video of, is we actually acid wash it. So we open up the tiles to be able to grab the tile with this primer. So this is an aerospace primer which is designed for planes, but it is absolutely amazing how well it sticks to these tiles. And there is the floor paper taped, so we get nothing on the floor. There's our exhaust fan that goes out to one of the windows, and basically what it does is it carries all the fumes out of the house, out of the bathroom for us to protect us while we even though we wear our mask and our clothing, but it also exhausts all the odor out of the bathroom, out of windows, so you don't smell it in the house. And that's the beauty of having an exhaust fan. Plus there's no overspray, even though there's no furniture in this particular bathroom. So there you go, folks. Full prime. Once it's fully primed, we go ahead and spray our custom coating, and here's the final product. We used a white sands, which has a little white and gray, with a high gloss clear coat that is the final touch. So you get about 6 coatings with this. You get a 10-year warranty from peeling or adhesion failure. All the way around, you see we took the paper off the floor. The floor is intact. It's great. Full coverage. No more blue, no more yellow. There you go, folks. East Coast Refinish Pros. Use our QR code, sign up.